Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Let's start with Google Pixel. Hit I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now choose whatever you want to in all those other ones. Now on OnePlus, the same thing. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then whatever you want to in all those other ones. When you finish your setup, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then if you decided to transfer any app, OK in white pop-up. And finally, to continue, hit Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on OnePlus. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and hit Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!